I don't know. That's what I did. It didn't do it.
Mag back in?
Yep.
All right.
Clear.
That's fun. Good.
Right. End the video. Dad just said that was enough. You videotaping
If
too?
your gun didn't jam, you would have gotten that in the big video too.
I have no idea. We can do one more round?
What's that?
No, my dad just yelled.
He said no? Okay.
You can shoot you off your pistol though.
That's what I'm saying.
He just said no more offering.
Okay.
Madsen, Peyton.
Quiet, very quiet.
Dad said no more noise.
Okay, go ahead.
One. One.
Uh-oh.
Oh! Empty chamber. I didn't rotate it right.
That's not gonna save you more.
Doesn't look like it has any it's got like no sound or kick to it at all.
It's like a 22. Yeah, it doesn't. Was it loud? I didn't even
No.
know how loud it was. I think the ARs are louder than these.
Oh yeah.
Let's see how it expands it out. Wow, yeah, look at that. Big difference.
Okay, if it wasn't for the fact it was so late, I would say, yeah, let's get my AR out so you can press that trigger out.
Yeah.
We'll have to pick up that brass. Yeah, I want my stripper clip too.
Why do you have to pick up the ammo?
So you can make some more.
No, just making it.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.